Welcome to our channel, where we do hunting,
fishing,
and other great fun activities outdoors. My name is Adam.
My name's Alan.
And the rest of the family that you may get to see and the rest of our experience in videoing. This is Ashley.
Hello.
And our new addition to the family, Henry. Alright, welcome back, guys. We're out here playing in the snow. Going to try to do some rabbit hunting. We got a special guest with us here today. Yeah, that's my dad, Alan's papa. He's going to be joining us here today.
And I'm going with the two great white-tailed rabbit hunters. Knowing them, they probably get about 4 or 5 of them this trip.
I doubt that.
Also, we got dogs with us.
Them dogs supposed to run them up there in the road for shooting.
Yeah, we're going to go see what we can see. Probably won't see nothing, but we're going to go try anyhow right now.
Yeah. How deep is this snow?
Looks like some fruit went through here on the side.
Wonder who?
Please take a photo up through here too.
I think its name's Papa.
See what? Drives me mentioning one day. The dogs went back.
Yeah. This is the chances we can go and get us a rabbit, Daddy.
Yeah, it's hard luck swim.
Yeah.
While I was riding that down today, I didn't see no road tracks, but I seen deer tracks. Dog tracks.
That's alright, so if you ain't cow, we'll shoot hit too.
Yeah. Annoying animal. Cow's annoying animal. You okay, Alan?
Oh.
He says he's going to catch one. He's going to kill it by hand. You think you can wield that, Daddy?
I've seen him do some pretty amazing things before.
He shot a squirrel's tail off.
Well, technically he pulled the squirrel's tail off. Yeah, if you ever need a squirrel dog.
But he can't smell. There you go.
Leave the side.
Looks like Rosie's happy. Try to avoid to get muddy. Just stay in the snow. Almost Christmas. Right, Daddy?
It's what, 3 weeks away?
15 days. Two weeks and 1 day.
It is. I think that's gonna fall, I think.
Huh?
It'll fall, I think.
Yeah, let's go. Which way you going?
We're gonna go right and go up bullshit hill.
We are back.
What's that dog in action right there?
Well, we've been out here a little while.
She guess what she traps? She goes,
I ain't really seen nothing.
guess
I've
what?
seen a few tracks. It's either been a deer or a coyote.
But Rosie Tree's a trail mouse or a chipmunk.
It's a tree or a hoe.
It was in a hole.
Well, there's a difference around.
It was in a tree in a hole. It was in a hole in a tree. I bet you it was a chipmunk or
Guys, we don't see nothing here pretty soon. We do have a little trick up our sleeve for you.
it's plan A, plan B. I forgot to check out see if Rosie can she ain't scared of something. She's a good hunting dog. First, oh, and I see water. Hey, where we been? We seen the side-by-side tracks. Pop on down and went riding. She
So this now they are going to be one day. We are going to try to get out and do some more coyote hunting.
see if Papa's gonna come.
I'm more or less come from what's time.
I'm using my daddy's gun, he's using mine. Because there's two reasons why. Tell me the reasons, Daddy. One's automatic, one's not. Yeah. We're coming up on her.
That's my old man. I don't know when this one will be.
He's getting,
But I'm thinking about getting me a 223.
Yeah.
Get 223 or 556.
Rosie, you haven't found nothing yet.
It's one I'm going to get. Only thing you can hunt with it. You can use it hunting. You can use it
Ow.
for coyote hunting, target practice, varmint hunting, fox hunting. I don't fox hunt, but you can use it fox hunting.
He don't want to go fox hunting. So if we
I'm sure if you can do them, you won't be hard.
AR-15. I won't throw a snowball like that. I mean, Papa. Miss.
Huh?
Where when Papa starts going to catch a rhino, a rabbit? Who knows? Might be next year, this year. And she,
I don't know if I'll get into it or not.
hey Dad, ain't pretty soon I'll let you be the cameraman.
You go ahead.
Okay.
Alright guys, we have been challenged
By Mr. Old Stinkweed again. See that little, see that sign that's traders
we
and
got a tree over here
there's a nail in it.
that we're going to try to hit the nail.
Oh, well, I bet you I 10 I missed.
So I'm gonna
And
go first, and we'll see on how.
don't shoot all your shots first. We take turns. You shot, I shot. You shot, you shot.
I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot all mine were okay,
Okay.
and you can do all yours.
Are you going to go
So,
fast
Here we go.
or take one shot, or how are you going to do it? That she? There's one dead bullet.
What's that? I ain't sure where I hit it. You better hit it.
That's an automatic rifle.
Ain't way off.
How many bullets you got left, Eddie?
You marched near the tree. Marched near the tree. How you about hit it? Marched near the tree.
Yeah, it's my turn, I'm guessing. Or it's still Daddy's turn, I wonder.
Marched near the tree.
Come here and look at it.
Deep snow, deep snow, deep snow, no, no. I say I can do better than Daddy. Here's Daddy shooting.
shooting over on this side, it was.
Yep.
Well,
You hit it once, see?
you can see the nail through my scope. Now it's kind of having my crosshairs running right here.
Right there, you hit right there one. Right here.
That's my turn to shoot.
No scope ain't off bad, is it?
Not bad, man.
Now it's Daddy's turn. Now Daddy's my turn. See how I can do. I bet you I can do worse than Daddy. You want to have the camera?
Go ahead.
Okay.
You can shoot that if that camera rolling.
Safety's on. We're off.
You got the hammer pulled back, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you quit missing it, ain't
Well,
you? Close to it. Close to it. Close to it. Well, you got hit something.
yeah.
Got hit it again.
He's doing good, ain't he?
It's doing good.
He's way off now, ain't he?
There's one more bullet. Get this one more. Have some more bullets. Uh-oh.
Alright,
Jam.
here, hold this one.
I see the scope what it looks like how you was shooting. Yeah, you can't hardly tell what's that.
And you're in.
You wanna shoot some more?
Oh.
Oh.
That's one thing, I don't have very many more left of that and up there. Yep, well, let's go over here and let's look at the...
Man, was I done? See how my reputation is. See if I done better than that.
Well now, what does the winner get for his challenge?
$200,000.
So that one's the closest.
I think I knocked it. Look at it straight.
Alan, you beat your dad and him with the scope.
Hey, Dad, you got some rounds in that?
Yeah.
You shoot and see if you get your better reputation. Wait,
Alright then.
I'll let you shoot. Hey, old man. I'll let you. I'm gonna plug my ears. Let shoot. Where do we put these?
Hold on to them. You don't put them down. No.
This is how I'm gonna look like. Don't shoot 5 shots. You're gonna get 1 shot.
Nope. I got 6 in it. 6 more right there.
Wait a minute, you wanna shoot? Hold one.
Let's step over here somebody. Are we ready?
Not yet.
Yo. And you way off.
Alright guys, we had a little bit of camera issues, our battery run dead,
Yeah.
Well, anyhow, everyone's last thing is to remember, we was having a little shooting competition.
Yeah. I smoked his butt.
Yeah, on over here, he beat me. He won the challenge.
So that's what he gets.
And we never did get to see nothing. So, well, anyhow, maybe we might have some better luck again next time.
Yeah.
And this concludes today's video. I'm Adam
Alan.
from Adam and Alan's Outdoors, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.